Hi, I'm Dylan Almeida, and this is my bike check. Alright, starting from top to bottom, we got a purple ODI grips. Pretty good grips. We got some white S&M bars. Pretty light, you know, good rise, about 4 inches. Now we got a white fit stem, you know, not your usual stem. It's got a bolt instead of the Allen key nuts, whatever you want to call them. Pretty good stem. You got your chrome headset. Not really sure what name, but you know it's pretty good. Spins pretty nice. We got a purple. We got some purple Miracle forks. Pretty nice forks, you know. We got a light purple G-Sport rims with G-Sport hubs. We got a Haro tires, white, very hard to find. And nice S&M ATF purple frame, pretty custom, you know, with our flower stickers, you know. Got to keep them on, keep it looking fresh. We got a purple Animal Stephen Hamilton pedals with the lights, you know, because safety first. We got white 1664 cranks, pretty good cranks. Under here, under the chain guard, got a white sprocket. I'm pretty sure it's a fit sprocket, yeah. Purple G-Sport rim with G-Sport hub, black chain. Oh, we got our white demolition seat. You know, it's a railed seat, a bit heavier, but you know, it's pretty nice. Got to keep it looking fresh. And another Haro white tire back here. And yeah, that's my bike check. Thanks. Oh yeah, I'll show you my piece of shit old bike here. See that bike? That bike's just a piece of shit. Like, that was my old bike, but yeah, you know, this bike's way better. Alright, that was my bike check. See ya.